All right, who can agree that the year is going by super fast? Like, wasn't it just Christmas the other day? And Christmas is right around the corner again. I mean, the holidays come faster than we expect. And with them comes big expenses. So if you don't plan ahead, you'll end up stressed, overspending, or stuck with debt. So saving early means you can actually enjoy the holidays. So let's go ahead and cash stuff our holidays binder. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. And it does not matter how much you put into your envelopes. Believe me, small amounts add up. But if you have a goal like I do, for every category, there's a goal of $260 or $250, then you do have to do the math and see how much you're going to put into your envelopes every time you get paid. So let me show you guys my little savings challenge book. So this is my A Simplified Challenge Savings Book. And in here, I have all the categories that I want to cash stuff, every category that I want to save for. So let's go ahead and open my binder first. And our first category is Valentine's. So let's turn to Special Holiday. And that is this one. So for Special Holiday, for Valentine's, we do save $10 every 2 weeks. So that's $20 every month. So let's go ahead and color this in. Let's see. Let's use this color. And we're going to color in a candle. All right. And so we're going to add $10 into this category. Now it has $50. So for Valentine's next year, I'll have the funds to gift my husband something. Anniversary is this one. Let's grab pink. I believe it's this pink. I have like 2 shades of pink and I always get confused like which one is which. I think it's this one. Oops. Okay, and then this is also $10. So now anniversary has 50, 60, 70, 75. Okay, Parents' Day is this one. We need purple. And I believe this is a dark one, but let's still use it. Okay. So Parents' Day also gets $10. So now has $60. Holiday decor. And it's a leaf. Is it the dark? Let's use this one, the light color. It was definitely the dark color, but it's okay. The darker orange. And this one gets $10. So now it has $30. Happy Fall. It's a pumpkin. Okay. And it's also $10. So now it has 160. Okay, gobble gobble. Okay, we need the brown. Okay, and then orange. And this also gets $10. So now it has 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 160. All right, winter fun. Skates. Let's do pink. I need to sharpen my color pencils. Okay, and this also gets $10. So now it has 100, 20, 40, 50. So 150 for winter fun. Easter. Okay. This gets $10. So now it has $50. OMG. I have ink all over my fingers. Okay, spring fun. I used two browns, two different shades of brown. I don't think it's that brown. I mean, let's do it anyways. Oh yeah, it is the same brown. Okay. And this is also $10. So it has $40. And then last but not least is summer fun. Let's do the purple. Let's see. And summer fun is also $10, and it's our last 10. And the only 10 inside this envelope. Okay. We're gonna need another bag. I have too many pens and markers in here and color pencils. Okay, so let's close this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you're saving or not. Love you guys. Adios.
You and I could run away now. You and I could be on our way. Pack our bags and take this love to a different place.